Protecting lives and livelihoods is the balance every political leader is striving for. Keeping businesses open while telling everyone to stay home is just one of the contradictory messages. Yesterday, Ontario's top doctor said the province could be in the green zone by Christmas. Today, the health minister said that's overly optimistic.
We are very hopeful that all of Ontario will be in a green situation before the holidays, but I don't think it's something that we can count on at this point.
Christmas is just 5 weeks away, and the lead up to it is usually one of the busiest times for businesses, including restaurants and bars. As Eric Sorensen reports, they're finding it hard to find optimism this year.
Papa's Grill had been around for 33 years till COVID-19. New York Cafe is gone. Old Nick closed. The Office Pub operated in Toronto's entertainment district for 9 years, but the owner says he didn't get a rent subsidy from the landlord and with so little business had to shut down.
We were paying closer to $30,000 a month prior, so couldn't afford to pay that amount of rent.
Last summer, restaurants were making a comeback. They'd invested millions in safe protocols.
We're super glad that we can get back up and running.
Staff at the Green Egg plant restarted limited indoor service, and expanded patios gave them a boost. Fast forward 3 months and a double whammy. The weather has all but shut down outdoor service, and COVID restrictions have sealed off indoor dining.
Probably dropped down 90%. It's really, really bad. It's not busy at all.
Small independent restaurants give communities character. They've been a bulwark against the big box economy. But the pandemic is killing the little guy, and with it, an estimated 200,000 jobs across the country.
The mood is one of, devastation and frustration. Local watering holes, represent a significant part of the culture of the downtowns, of all towns and cities across the country.
Restaurant Canada has asked the Ontario government to strike a task force, to collaborate, to subsidize struggling owners, and to show that restaurants are actually safe places to gather.
We spent significant dollars on various different forms of PPE to make sure that when folks come to our restaurants, they are safe, and so too are our staff and ourselves.
I hear them loud and clear. These folks are struggling. They're just trying to get ahead. But after I heard the 6,500 per day potentially, that scares everyone.
The Premier says he has to follow public health guidelines. Restaurant Canada says 10,000 locations have closed so far, and with a combined wave of COVID and cold weather, another 40,000 may not last much longer.
Can the business keep going through the winter?
I don't know. It's very hard to say. I hope so, but right now it doesn't seem like it.
Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.